Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping our Throwback Thursday 1989 Upper Deck Baseball Low Series Baseball Card Exchange sealed, one box break, number 1, random pack style. So I'm going to randomize all the names. I've made a list of all the names and pasted it in here twice, 2 packs per spot. I'll randomize all the names, and then I'll randomize the numbers 1 through 36. That'll determine which pack number you get. So here we go. We will randomize 9 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Matthew C. down to Ryan B. And 9 times on the packs. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 21 down to 25. All right, let me copy and paste these over. All right, I'll make these big and bold, and then I'll scroll through slowly here. That goes down to row 36, Ryan B at the bottom there. All right. Give me just a minute here to get the results posted to the website, and I'll drop a link in the chat for you. Yeah, for sure. Definitely be sure to like and subscribe. And for some reason that page is being difficult. So, hang out just a second here and I'll get this posted. There we go. All right, here's a link to the results. Just get these printed and we'll get this going. All right, let's do it. Here we go. I'm going to take these out of the box. We'll have packs 1 through 9, 10 through 18, 19 through 27, and 28 through 36. All right. Do it. So pack 1 will be Patrick T. Let me get these moved over here. All right, here we go, Patrick. 89 Upper Deck Baseball Low Series. checklist. There's Rafael Palmeiro. Here's our, oh, there's a team hologram there. It's a little stuck to that Henry Cotto. I'll leave that for you to peel off, Patrick. It's Terry Francona. Scott Bales, Terry Leach, Jim Penkovitz. Just put that in a team bag. There you go. All right, pack 2, Wesley N. Come on, Griffey. There's a whole lot more to pull out of here than just Griffey, though. Bill Buckner. There's a Jose Canseco. Always loved those when I was a kid. That's to 670. And this is Matt Noakes. He looks like Luke Skywalker. Mark Langston. There's the Nolan Ryan triple exposure. Nice one, Wesley. Oh. Couple team holograms here, Royals and Dodgers. Ernie Riles. Yeah. Dave Steed. Yeah, I have the Dale Murphy reverse negative. There's Will Clark. I should have brought that in. All right, that's it for pack 2. Nice Nolan in that pack for you. There you go, pack 2. Pack 3 is Matthew C. There's Danny Jackson. It's Fred McGriff. Cal Daniels. Charlie Huff. Little Charlie Huff boom there. Pascual Perez. Tony Gwynn. Drebecki. All right. That's it for pack 3. Daniel F. Again, this was 2 packs per spot. About time for a star rookie here. Greg Booker. Dale Murphy. Team checklist. Dave Concepcion. Bob Walk, worst baseball pitcher name of all time, other than Eric Plunk. Dwayne Buse. Whoop. Couple more team hologram stickers here. Mets and Yankees. Bill Long. Franklin Stubbs. Mark McLemore. All right, that's it for pack 4. Bless you. Pack 5 is Lewis M. Taking my time with this. We fall a few minutes behind schedule, no biggie. Not every day you get to rip a box of 89 Upper Deck. There's Paul Molitor team checklist and Roger Clemens. He looks like the nicest guy who ever played baseball there. It's Jody Davis. Brent Smith. Jim Eisenreich. Still looking for our first star rookie. There's Randy Bush and Lou Whitaker. That's it for pack 5. Pack 6 is Wesley N. Yeah, Randy Johnson, John Smoltz, Griffey, of course, Gary Sheffield. I think Biggio's in it. Yeah, he did. I remember he left baseball for a while because of that, Rich. There's Ozzie Smith. Good old Chris Sabo. Ted Simmons. Jack McDowell. There's Barry Bonds. Jesse Barfield. Whoa. Some of these have team holograms and some don't. There's Mets and Astros. Charlie Lee. Bruce Hurst, Albert Hall, Matt Williams, Ron Darling, and Goose Gossage. All right, there you go, Wesley. Pack 6. All right, pack 7 is Chris V. Good luck, Chris. How have we not found a star rookie yet? Yeah, Goose is a Cub. Rod Booker. There's Ryan Sandberg. I love these. I wish Topps would bring back the team checklist like that. There's Joe Carter. Matthews, Matt Noakes. The hologram stuck to that Chuck Krim. Shelby. Dave Magadan. Mike Krukow. Cal Daniels. Ed Whitson, pitcher hitting. All right. That's it for pack 7. Here's pack 8. This is Daniel F. Dennis Rasmussen. There's Kirk Gibson. Randy Velarde. Smart Thurman. Rob Deere. Oh. Team holograms. Those are a little stuck together. I'll let you decide if you want to peel them or not. Candy Maldonado. Jim DeShays. Just double checking my list here of errors. There's Wade Boggs. Mike Felder. All right. That was pack 8. Pack 9 is James D. Juan Nieves. It's Andres Galarraga. Expos. Team checklist there. Wally Backman. Crime Dog. Tan Quisenberry. Storm Davis. Oh, there's a couple holograms. Oh, yeah, those are coming off. There we go. All right. So we have Roy. Oh, those are stuck together too. Dennis Lamp. Gary Carter. Vince Coleman. Luis Polonia. Taman Berryhill. All right. Oh, we've made it through one stack. Haven't seen a star rookie yet. We're due for one. Let's pull one right here. Fred McGriff should absolutely be in the Baseball Hall of Fame. And it is a shame that he's not. Bill Buckner. Colors. Sweet Music. Viola. Rex Hudler. Devon White. A couple holograms stuck to the card there. Yeah, he was. There's Jack Morris. Gary Sheffield. Rookie, and that is the corrected version, I believe. The shortstop logo is upside down on the error version. Nice Sheffield rookie. I think he has the GS teeth too. Didn't he have his initials on his front teeth? So yeah, that looks like the corrected version. I think the S's are just slightly different on the error version. Nice Gary Sheffield rookie. That was pack 10, Chris V. Scott Bales. Willie Randolph. Gary Sheffield had the quickest bat I've ever seen in my life. All right, pack 11 is Wesley N. Again, I'm not really paying attention to the time on this. If we fall a few minutes behind, I'm sure we'll make it up over those Prism and iMac breaks. First one is sold out. Second one is sold out. We have 15 to go in the third Prism iMac 3-box mixer. Yeah, with Sheffield stands. There's Carlton Fisk. Dave Steve. Mike Schmidt. Balboni. Walt Terrell. That let's see. One of those holograms I think is. There we go. So there's a Yankees one. And then another one that's stuck to that Walt Terrell. I say stuck. It's probably something where you just push on it a little bit and you'll get it off. There's Eric Plunk. That's the... I don't know. I guess Plunk is probably a better name than Bob Walk, right? For a big league pitcher. Dave Righetti. Mike Harkey, star rookie. Ricky Henderson is a Yankee there. Oral Hershiser. All right. That was pack 11. Here comes pack 12. John B. White Evans. Jay Howell. Tony Gwynn. John Franco. And Buddy Bell. Kelly Downs. Another Eisenreich. Ed Hearn. This is Devon White. He made the greatest outfield play I've ever seen in person. Mike Aldretti. I saw him pulling a Gary Gaetti home run. All right, pack 13 is Kurt S. Yeah, it's 32 a spot. You get 2 packs per spot. Tim Cruz. Danny Gladden. Brady Anderson. I think that's a Brady Anderson rookie. I think. Tim Cruz. Yeah, I was actually in 8th grade when that happened, and the State Patrol had just started a 3-day boat safety class the day before he and Steve Olin passed away in that boat accident. There's Lance Blankenship. George Brett. Nelson Liriano. Del Sweem. All right, pack 14 is Matthew C. We've seen, what, 3-star rookies so far? Was Brady Anderson. I can't remember if his rookie card was 88 or 89. There's Keith Hernandez. There's Bob Ojeda. If I remember right, he was driving the boat or on the boat when that accident happened. Eric Plunk. Ken Daly. Sean Hilligus. Loudner. That is star rookie. William Brennan. Tracy Woodson and Bob Nepper. 88 Red Sox. Oh, was Brady Anderson's rookie? Okay. All right, number 15. Oh, here. If I don't put the post-it on, make sure you let me know. This is Wesley N. Yeah, that's what I love about ripping that stuff. With so many players in the MLB, it's easy to forget about really good players. Mike Devereaux. There's Walt Weiss. Eric Davis. And Andres Galarraga. I hope so. I'm down. There's Brindley. That's got the hologram stuck to it. Dale Murphy, and that is the corrected version. The reverse negative is exactly like this, but the bat's on the other shoulder. It looks like he's a left-handed batter, and then the Braves stuff is flipped backwards. So Dale Murphy corrected there. It's Jamie Moyer. And star rookie, John Smoltz. Nice Hall of Fame star rookie, Wesley. Awesome. It's Andy Allenson. There was an Andy Allenson and an Alan Anderson in the major leagues at the same time. Sean Dunston. All right, number 16 is Namq L. Dennis Rasmussen, Brian Fisher. Bob Stanley, Mike Scioscia. Pulled a 1-of-1 bat knob of his yesterday from Leaf Lumber. Henry, it's Mark Portugal. And star rookie, Ramon Martinez. He was solid. He had a nice little run. Brett Butler. Tom Brookins. All right, there you go, Namq. This is pack 17, Wesley N. Heck yeah, let's rip some 83 tops next week. I'm down. Juan Nieves. Yeah, imagine when Pedro came up, he was known as Ramon's brother. So Ramon was pretty good. Candy Maldonado. Gary Pettis. That's an awesome one. It's Gary Pettis holding a Gary Pettis 89 Upper Deck card. 89 Upper Deck Gary Pettis holding an 89 Upper Deck Gary Pettis. Joel Youngblood. Mike Lacoste. This is Mitch Webster. And star rookie, Mark Lemke. Nice one there. Steve Jeltz. There's Terry Pendleton. All right. Pack 18. Packs 18 and 19 are both Nick N. All right. There's Kurt Stillwell. Cards in this pack a little bit warped. Bobby Thigpen. This is Wade Boggs. Jim Rice. Oh, a couple holograms here. It's Dodgers and Expos. Jim Acker. There's a second-year Tom Glavine. John Tudor. Juan Bell, star rookie. And Bo Jackson. Nice Bo. Jeff Blauser and Kevin Bass. All right. Number 19 is also Nick N. Yeah, the cards are pretty warped. They weren't creased. They're just warped. Fernando Valenzuela. There's Wade Boggs. Shane Mack. There's Hojo. Chris James. There's Jesse Orozco. Danny Gladden. Greg Swindell. Curtis Wilkerson. All right, that was number 19. Cinema wrapper in a box. This is number 20. This is James D. Lee Mazzilli. There's a Barry Larkin. Or no, I'm sorry, that's Eric Davis. Eric Davis team checklist. And Jose Uribe. Lee Hammaker. Benito Santiago. Jose Oquendo, Secret Weapon. Felix Fermin. Dick Schofield. Dave Rigetti. Bud Black. All right. That was number 20. Matthew C. has number 21. Yeah, Santiago was. There's Frank Viola. George Brett team checklist. Lombardozzi and David Cohn. Damon Berryhill. There's Greg Gagne. Or Gagne. Brett Tolliver. There's Dave Henderson. Cal Ripken Jr. Nice Ripken. All right, that was number 21. Pack 22. It's Lewis M. About due for another star rookie here. There's the Jose Canseco. So it says the error is a Black Eagle. But the corrected version looked just like that to me. So I don't know if that's an error or not. I mean, that looks black to me, but I don't know. There's Alan Trammell. This is Don Slott. Yeah, that's that one. This is for the next pack. Barry Jones, Ken Phelps, Smiley. This is Rafael Belliard. Gary Gaetti, Carlton Fisk. Jeffrey Leonard. This is Ozzie Guillen. All right, that was pack 22. Pack 23, Tony K. Again, we will be a little behind schedule after this break. It's 89 Upper Deck. We'll catch up. There's a Walt Weiss All-Star. Frank Viola team checklist. All right, 23, Tony K. Yeah. Sid Fernandez. Franklin Stubbs. Jay Howell. Tom Hankey. All right. I have a couple Post-it notes next to me with the names of the players who have the error cards. I just want to double check. Yep. Let's see a Griffey. Let's see a Griffey or two and a Randy Johnson. Earl Hershiser. Harold Baines. Bo Diaz. Andre Dawson. It's Tim Cruz. Tom Candiotti on the back. All right, that was pack 24. Right? 25, 26, 27. Pack 25, Ryan B. So 24 and 25 were Ryan B. There's a Kirk Gibson All-Star. It's like the walk-off celebration there. 88 series, game 1. It's Don Mattingly. Ozzie Guillen. Corey Snyder. That's a name that's kind of forgotten. Ron Washington. Yeah, I remember seeing the news report on that. It's Keith Hernandez. Cangelosi. There's Ozzie Smith. And Roberto Alomar, second year. Yeah, he was so much fun to watch in the dugout. Like, I didn't want the Rangers to beat the Cardinals in the World Series, but I also, this is pack 26, Nick N. I also kind of wanted to see Ron Washington win a title back in 2011. There's Chris Sabo All-Star. Checklist. Corey Snyder. Jeff Russell. There's Robbie Thompson. Mike Devereaux. Tony Phillips. Jeff Robinson on the back there. All right, number 27 is John B. There's Dennis Eckersley. Checklist. Dave Henderson. Yeah. Jeff Kunkel, Eric Schau. That used to be my least favorite baseball player because he beamed Andre Dawson in the mouth. Rod Scurry. Zane Smith. Chris Sabo. All right, well, no Griffies so far. Let's see one here on this last stack. We have 9 packs to go. Pack 28 is Nick N. Orlando Mercado. Dave Anderson. Rosian. Del Sweem. Chili Davis. Rich Gedman. There's Ron Kittle. Mark Grace. Nice Mark Grace. Jerry Royster. That's a second-year Grace. His 88 Donruss rookie card is one of my favorite cards. All right. This is number 20. Let's see. That was 28, Nick N. 29 is Patrick T. Yeah. Did you? That's awesome. It's Fernando Valenzuela. Marshall. Todd Worrell. Ed Whitson. Lenny Dykstra. That's awesome, Rory. And this is star rookie Carlos Quintana. Greg Walker. That's a Ken Caminiti. I think that's second year. Yeah, that's second year Caminiti. Ellis Burks. All right, number 30 is James H. Come on now. Let's see a Griffey in this box. Lee Mazzilli. Rafael Belliard. Gary Carter. Chet Lemon. There's Pete Incaviglia. That's the star rookie checklist. Jackson. All right, number 31 is Namq L. Kamenicki. There's All-Star Frank Viola. Not seeing any of the error cards. We've seen a couple cards that have error variations, but they've been the corrected versions, apparently. There's Jamie Moyer. Jamie Moyer. He was only 77 when this picture was taken. There's Jose Canseco. Pat Tabler. Dave Rucker. All right, number 32 is Tony K. He probably is. Jose Canseco. Again, I'm assuming that's the corrected version. Cecil Espy. There's David Palmer. Kevin Bass. Oral Hershiser. Rob Murphy. Andres Thomas and Charlie Huff. Charlie Huff looked like he was 54 years old as a rookie. All right, number 33, Kurt S. There's Ricky Horton. All-Star Walt Weiss. John Smiley. Terry Pendleton. Joaquin Andujar. Rafael Palmeiro. And the triple exposure, Nolan Ryan. Bob Walk. All right. That was pack 33 for Kurt S. Top load, yeah. Number 34 is Wesley N. It's Oral Hershiser. Bobby Witt. It's Jeff Blauser. Tom Nidenfuhrer. There's John Tudor. Walt Weiss. Bob Brower. Matthew C. Pack 35. Yeah, I saw in the new Bobby Witt collection that they have coming out. It looked like there was a dual auto of the Bobby Witts. It's Alfredo Griffin. Kirk Gibson. There's Mitch Williams. Nice Wild Thing. Tommy Herr. Paul O'Neill. Mike Fitzgerald. Oh. That's either a blank hologram. I think that's two stuck together. So you got a 3 hologram pack here. Rob Dibble, there you go. Randolph and Barry Bonds. Nice Bonds. All right, last chance for Griffey here. James H with pack 36. Yeah, they really were, Chris. Come on, Griffey. It's Chuck Finley. Chris Sabo. This one's a little warped, too. Tracy Jones. There's Ron Washington. Luis Salazar. Rick Shue with the holograms. Herbie Puckett. Colin Schiraldi. Bruce Fields, Jody Davis, and Tom Foley. Well, no Griffey, no Randy Johnson. We did see a Smoltz, saw Gary Sheffield. That'll do it for the break. Thank you all so much for filling that up. Appreciate that. Lots of fun to rip that, and hopefully we can do some more Throwback Thursday breaks on Thursdays. So thanks, everybody.